What's going on, guys? Devin here, D-Rob Fitness, back with the first meal prep of 2018. I'm very geeked. I know it's Monday, and when I'm looking at the time, it's pretty late on this Monday too. I do apologize. I am under the weather. I'm not feeling too good, but I didn't want to let that stop me from making this video. I do apologize. It is a little bit short, but let me know in the comment section if you want me to go ahead and let you guys know the full recipe. So for this one, we're gonna be having chicken and steak bowls, two ways. So the veggies that are gonna be going are gonna be some red, yellow, and orange peppers. Also with some green beans served on a bed of brown rice, topped off with either some chicken or some steak, depending on how you're feeling. Now, as far as preparing the vegetables, what I decided to do, we're trying something new, is that I am putting some salt and pepper on each of these vegetables, and then I drizzle a little bit of olive oil. It's lined with some parchment paper on a baking pan, and I put it in the oven for about 20 minutes. And it comes out, the veggies will be nice and crisp and it tastes fucking delicious. As far as the meats goes, the chicken and the steak, also something new that I'm trying is that I decided to marinate, let that shit sit, and trust me, it paid off. They taste so good. I seasoned the steak with salt and pepper, and then a little bit of meat tenderizer on them. And then for the chicken, I have some chicken seasoning, and then I put a little bit of just some chili powder in them. Make it a little bit spicy, but nothing too crazy. Hopefully that spice helps out with my sinus because this shit sucks. But as far as the whole meal prep time, this took about, I'd say about an hour and a half. As far as the whole grocery wise, this cost me about $30 for the whole and for all the ingredients that I need. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with more. Video coming Wednesday. Stay tuned. Peace.